Freelancing to Financial Freedom, a beginner's guide for Pakistanis. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you dream of financial freedom but don't know where to start? Let me tell you, I've been there. What if I told you that you have the power to take control of your financial future no matter where you are in life right now? In this video, we're going to explore how freelancing can be your ticket to a wealthy lifestyle, especially if you're living in Pakistan. All you need is the right mindset, the willingness to learn, and the information I'm about to share with you. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Let's be real for a moment. We all know the current economic climate in Pakistan is challenging. Finding a stable, well-paying job can feel like an uphill battle, especially for young people just starting out. But here's the thing, challenging times often breed incredible opportunities. And right now, one of the biggest opportunities knocking on our door is the world of freelancing. With freelancing, you're not limited by geographical boundaries. You have the freedom to choose your own hours, work from anywhere with an internet connection, and be your own boss. You have the potential to earn what you're truly worth, and the sky's the limit. Pakistan is quickly becoming a hub for freelancers, with thousands of talented individuals finding success in various fields. So, if you're ready to break free from the traditional job market, embrace flexibility, and unlock your true earning potential, then keep watching. Meet Aisha, a young woman from Lahore who, just like many of you, was facing the harsh realities of the job market. She had dreams, ambitions, and a strong desire to make something of herself. Armed with a degree in English literature, she struggled to find a job that matched her skills and aspirations. The job market was tough, and opportunities were scarce. But Aisha refused to give up. She knew that giving up was not an option. She had a fire in her belly, a desire to create a better life for herself. And she knew she had valuable skills to offer the world. She was determined to find a way to use her talents. That's when she stumbled upon the world of freelancing. It was a whole new realm of possibilities. At first, she was hesitant, unsure if she could make it work. The uncertainty was daunting, but with a little bit of research and a whole lot of determination, she decided to take the leap of faith. She knew that nothing ventured, nothing gained. She started small, taking on a few freelance writing gigs on online platforms. Each small step was a building block towards her future. She honed her skills, built her portfolio, and slowly but surely, her confidence grew. She learned from every project and improved continuously. Fast forward to today, and Aisha is a successful freelance writer, working with clients from all over the world. Her hard work and perseverance paid off. She's earning more than she ever thought possible, working from the comfort of her own home and living life on her own terms. She has achieved a balance that many dream of. Aisha's story is a testament to the power of freelancing. It shows that with dedication and the right mindset, anything is possible. There are countless others just like her, ordinary individuals who took a chance on freelancing and transformed their lives. They found freedom and success in this new way of working. And the best part is, you can do it too. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards are worth it. Alright, so you're feeling inspired, you're ready to take control of your financial future, but you're probably wondering, where do I even begin? Don't worry, I've got you covered. The first step is to identify your niche. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? What skills do you have that others might be willing to pay for? Once you've identified your niche, it's time to create your online presence. Start by creating profiles on popular freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Guru. When creating your profiles, make sure to highlight your skills, experience, and portfolio. A strong portfolio is crucial as it provides tangible evidence of your abilities. If you're just starting out and don't have much client work to showcase, create some sample projects that demonstrate your skills. Remember, your online presence is your digital storefront, so make it count. Now here's a secret to freelancing success. It's not just about what you do, it's about how you present yourself. In the crowded online marketplace, building a strong personal brand is essential for attracting clients and commanding premium rates. Think of your personal brand as your reputation, your unique selling proposition. So how do you build a strong personal brand? It starts with consistency. Develop a clear and concise message that communicates your value proposition. What makes you different? What problems do you solve for your clients? Craft a compelling bio that highlights your skills, experience, and personality. Use professional headshots and visuals that reflect your brand identity. Engage with your audience on social media, share your expertise, and provide valuable content that establishes you as a thought leader in your niche. By positioning yourself strategically, you attract the right clients, command higher rates, and build a sustainable freelancing business. Chapter 5. Money Matters. Managing your finances as a freelancer. One of the biggest adjustments when transitioning to freelancing is managing your finances. Unlike traditional employment, freelancing requires a proactive approach to financial management. As a freelancer, you're responsible for your own invoicing, tracking income and expenses, and planning for taxes. This means you need to be diligent and organized to ensure nothing slips through the cracks. First and foremost, create a dedicated bank account for your freelancing income and expenses. This separation helps in maintaining clear financial records and simplifies tax filing. Next, invest in accounting software or use free tools like spreadsheets to track your income and expenses. These tools can automate many tasks, saving you time and reducing errors. Keep meticulous records of all transactions, as this will be crucial for tax purposes. Organized records make it easier to claim deductions and avoid penalties. As a freelancer, you're responsible for paying your own taxes, so it's essential to set aside a portion of your earnings for this purpose. Consider consulting a tax professional to understand your obligations. Now let's talk about savings and investments. Building a financial cushion is vital for long-term stability. Aim to save at least 20% of your income and consider setting up an emergency fund that can cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This fund acts as a safety net during lean periods. By staying organized, planning ahead, and seeking professional advice when needed, you can achieve financial stability and peace of mind. Remember, the key to successful freelancing is not just earning money, but managing it wisely. Chapter 6. Navigating the pitfalls. Overcoming common freelancing challenges. Freelancing, like any career path, comes with its own set of challenges. One common challenge freelancers face is dealing with difficult clients. The key is to set clear expectations from the outset. Establish clear communication channels, define project scopes in detail, and have a written contract in place that outlines payment terms, deadlines, and deliverables. Another challenge is maintaining a healthy work-life balance. Set specific work hours, create a dedicated workspace, and take regular breaks to recharge. Freelancing can sometimes feel isolating, so make an effort to connect with other freelancers in your niche. Join online communities, attend industry events, or even consider co-working spaces to combat loneliness and foster a sense of community. By adapting to change and continuously improving your skills, you'll stay ahead of the curve and thrive in the ever-evolving world of freelancing. Chapter 7. Reaping the rewards. The long-term benefits of freelancing. We've covered a lot of ground today, from understanding the economic landscape to taking those first steps into the world of freelancing. It's been a journey of discovery and growth. But let's take a moment to talk about the bigger picture, the long-term benefits of embracing the freelance lifestyle. These benefits go beyond just the immediate gains. Freelancing isn't just a job, it's a gateway to a more fulfilling and abundant life. It's about finding joy in your work and achieving personal milestones. Imagine a life where you wake up excited to work on projects you're passionate about. Every day becomes an opportunity to create and innovate. Imagine setting your own hours, working from anywhere with an internet connection, and having the flexibility to pursue your passions and spend quality time with loved ones. This flexibility is priceless. Imagine the financial freedom that comes with setting your own rates, scaling your income, and breaking free from the limitations of a traditional job. The potential for growth is immense. This is the power of freelancing. It's not just about making money. It's about creating a life of purpose, flexibility, and financial abundance. It's about living life on your own terms. So take that leap of faith. Embrace the unknown. Put in the work, stay dedicated, and never stop learning. The rewards are worth the effort, and the journey is just as important as the destination. So there you have it, your comprehensive guide to freelancing for financial freedom, tailored specifically for the incredible people of Pakistan. I hope this video has ignited a spark within you, a belief that you too can achieve your financial dreams. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out our next video on investing in Pakistan with just 5,000 rupees, a beginner's guide to smart profits. Click the link on your screen now to start your journey towards smart investing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on achieving financial freedom. Until next time, stay driven, stay focused, and keep believing in your ability to create the life you deserve.